Illinois officially lifting its mask and proof of vaccination mandates today, prompting people around the state to show their entire faces in public for the first time in months.
And WGN's Julian Cruz is live in Navy Pier tonight with more. Julian.
Well, Ray, tonight, more good news. Governor J.B. Pritzker announcing the lifting of mask mandates for K through 12 and daycares, while giving individual school districts the discretion to continue with mitigation efforts if they so desire. But for most of the public indoor spaces across the state of Illinois, with a few exceptions, mask mandates and proof of vaccination no longer required.
We've got a terrific Ferris wheel behind me. The people are lined up today, even on a cold day, to take a ride.
Illinois' governor and scores of happy visitors at Chicago's Navy Pier reveling in the warm sun, with Alberto Perez and his buddies celebrating his birthday. Everybody's smiling out there.
And it's good to see that, the weather's nice, the sun's out, and we are not wearing masks anymore, which is, it's great.
I'm just more than happy to be here without a mask because it's hard to breathe in one of those.
It's been a challenging year for Xavier Nova on the left and Jessica Brito and family, but today they're smiling.
You get to just see the happiness, sometimes the reactions and things, because you don't often get to see that with the mask.
Brito's beautiful daughter, Aria, feeling the joy.
Today's a great day to show your smile.
Especially for hard-hit restaurant and tavern owners across the region and workers so used to covering up.
It's going to be really strange seeing some of my coworkers' faces, especially the newer ones, because I've never seen them before.
But not everyone's smiling about the lifting of mandates.
Less than 30% of our elementary school children are vaccinated, and we need to hold steady for our children under 5 who do not have a vaccine available.
At Chicago City Hall, public school parents worried about those with compromised immune systems, the disabled, and low vaccination rates in some communities, even though Chicago Public Schools is keeping the mask mandate in place for now. Other notable exceptions: you'll also still need to mask up at airports and bus stations indoors or riding planes, buses, and trains, with healthcare settings still mandating masks, with local governments reserving the right to set their own rules. Now, Navy Pier celebrating the lifting of the mask mandate with a huge smiley face on the Centennial Ferris wheel. And people that came here today, they got a free picture, and then that picture next month will be put up on that big hub, that giant hub of the Ferris wheel. So people just absolutely euphoric today with the beautiful weather and the good news with the lifting of those mask requirements. At Navy Pier, Julian Cruz, WGN News.